Queensbridge, we have been learning about stop motion animation. We would like to remind you how to use it. When you want to make a movie, you need to think of three main things: the story, the characters, the setting. If you are using a phone or an iPad or tablet, you will need a stand. We have made one from a book holder, one from cardboard, but you might already have a stand. You need to plan your story. You can use a storyboard to help you. Next, you need to make your setting. I haven't decorated mine as I only wanted to show you quickly, but we are expecting you to get into much more effort. To make your characters, you can use Play-Doh, toys, Lego, paper cutouts, or anything you can think of. Be creative. When you're ready to make your movie, open the Stoop Motion Studio App. Press the plus button to create a new project. I have already started mine. Make sure the frame is clear and there is nothing else in view. Don't take it personally, but we don't want to see your family eating breakfast. To take a picture, you need to press the big red button. After you've taken your picture, move your character by a small bit. You don't want them to do long jumps. Try and make sure you don't move your camera. It has to stay in the same spot the whole time. But if your character falls by accident or the camera moves, you can go to the sidebar and move the indicator halfway. It is the onion effect, and it will show you where the character was in the last frame. If you make a mistake, for example, a picture of your hand, you can simply slide right or left to the frame, tap on the frame, and press delete. You can delete more frames at the same time by pressing on the frame, then tapping on select and slide right or left. You will delete as many pictures as you need. Then you can press delete. The select function is also great when you like to copy and paste. We would use copy and paste when we want to repeat an action without taking so many pictures. For example, waving a hand. Look at my pictures. They have doubled now. We can also select all of the frames and reverse it. This means your film will play backwards, and if you had a waving hand at the end, it would start. We are currently working with 5 frames per second, but to make the movement appear smoother, we need to work with 8 to 10 frames. So go to the settings icon and choose how many frames you would like. This affects how fast the video plays. To add sound, music, voiceovers, speech bubbles, or text, select the starting frame and click plus. Choose what you'd like to add. Press the blue triangle to listen to the sample and press the name to add it. You can add title and credits the same way. Double-click to edit. To add a voiceover, again, select the starting frame, press the microphone and record. If you don't have access to the speech bubbles and audio, you can either export your movie to iMovie on an Apple device and add music and credits there, but you could make your own speech bubbles out of paper as well. But make sure you take enough pictures so the viewers have enough time to read it. You can use the copy and paste technique for this. To save your movie, you need to press the arrow button in the bottom left corner, the select button in the top right corner, then select your movie or movies, and then press export, and then export movie, and save video. It will automatically save to your photos. Have fun!